I'm often really surprised when I'm working with women that how many of them avoid wearing foundation because maybe in their teenage years and throughout their 20s and 30s, they've never really had to wear it. If you've been blessed with beautiful skin, then I guess why would you? I never was, so maybe that was my first kind of like engagement with makeup on how to cover my skin. And there are so many women that I meet, especially with young kids, who just go, oh, do you know what? I can't really be bothered. It's too much hassle and it just looks a bit sort of fake and I don't like the feel of it. And when I introduce them to products that are really sheer but really effective, they're like, wow, this is brilliant. So I want to show you a new product that I've just come across. I was doing a tutorial shoot and Wasso was on the shoot. Now this is a small brand from the bigger brand, the Japanese brand Shiseido, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with. And this is a new range that they've created, targeting at millennials, but I don't think it should be specifically for millennials because I think it works great for everyone. And I'm going to show you how effective this product is. They're all botanical products. They're made with carrot and honey. There's no parabens, mineral oil. It's all a very natural product. And this is it's called a Colour Smart Day Moisturiser. It's got SPF 30 and it also has some anti-pollution powders within it. So it kind of blocks any kind of pollutants irritating or aggravating your skin, which is obviously, as we know, quite damaging on our skin, hence why we use a lot of antioxidant products. So you can just use this product to give you protection. SPF 30, that's brilliant. But it gives this lovely veil of colour. Now let me show you. So it comes out white. I'll show you initially on my hand, first of all. Put it on my hand. And then I rub it in and it's super light, feels really great and fresh. And look at that. In my experience, it's probably the most effective and natural looking Colour Smart foundation that I've ever used or experienced. I was super impressed with this. Oh, and it feels so fresh on the skin. This is definitely next generation level in terms of the formulation of really amazing hybrid of skincare and foundation. It's not sold as a foundation, but if you love that sort of no makeup look, if you love the feeling of having no makeup on, but you want your skin to be at least a little bit softened, then try this. So I'm going to put it on just with my fingers and just show you. So it goes on white. I haven't actually tried this on a very dark complexion. I've tried it on lots of friends. I'm just going to do it really haphazardly just to show you the difference and how quick and easy it is to do as well. Just on one side of my face. So yeah, I'd like to see how it works on darker skin as well. So yeah, all over my face, and I would obviously use it with two hands normally, but I'm just showing you how this blends in so well. Look, you can see even on my neck straight away, the colour. It takes about 10 seconds, literally. I'm literally fascinated with this product. And there you are, really, really soft and light. It's a very natural finish. You're not obviously going to get a mask of makeup, but for a lot of women, this is enough. I personally like a little bit more concealer, but I cannot tell you. See, you must be able to see the difference. It's hard for me to tell if you can see the difference on film. Sorry, I can see the difference in the mirror, definitely. And it is the most beautiful product. So I'm just going to do the other side. Again, so easy just using your fingers. They are the best tool. And especially if you're just using this as an SPF, I would definitely use this as a daily protection for my skin. And it also just gives me that light bit of coverage as well. So we all need to protect our skin, so why not protect our skin and give it just a really beautiful veil of coverage that does not look like makeup at all. What do you think? I love it. And it feels so soft. So if you're in a department store or you can get some samples, then I would definitely advise you to do that. This is a really, really great product. And just because it's a very natural, fresh makeup, I'm just going to use the mascara on the top lashes because that just creates a little bit of a lift. So this is probably the sort of makeup that I do first thing in the morning. Are you all Lipstick Queen fans? Obviously, you know this product, Frog Prints. So again, it changes with the moisture and the pH of your skin to give yourself the most beautiful flush. just across the front of your cheeks, underneath the pupil, giving your skin a really nice glow. Very translucent, so you can see all my pigmentation, everything, but this is perfect for someone who's just feeling a little bit sort of sallow and just wants a little bit of a lift, but wants to have that really kind of fresh, no makeup look. And then just to finish off with the same theory of product, Winky Lux. Again, this is Japanese. Use it on my lips to get that lovely, fresh pink colour. So there you go. 3 really simple, beautiful products, really bringing out your natural beauty, not overpowering your face, but giving you the protection that you need, and just really enhancing what you have naturally and giving you a little bit of a healthy flush. I hope you like the concept. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts down below. Bye for now.